The way you respond to reviews goes a long way to dissuading negative emotions and encouraging positive reviewers to keep interacting with your business. And you can manage comments on your Facebook pages with the power of AI agents. Let's learn how to expand Reviews AI beyond Google to another major review source. Go to the Settings tab in the Reputation section, then click Create Agent. Choose Tone, Language, and Review Conditions. Select all Facebook pages or specific Facebook pages under Review Source. Save the agent to start using it. This feature allows you to create multiple AI agents with distinct personalities that respond to comments from different pages with consistency and keep response times low. Use the dynamic AI personalities to create a response team without hiring more people, reduce robotic responses, create distinct voices for different pages, and take your review management to the next level.